I'm just a rough draft, ink on every page, couple stains and stripes where tears were wiped away. And there's a lot I have to say, but I'm not organized. I'm the product of a sleep-deprived, worked-up mind. Still an idea I can bend and break. Might be a mistake, but I'm a risk you gotta take. 'Cause I stick in your brain, under your skin and your veins. You gotta deal with me to make me go away. So baby, reach out and touch me. No need to like me or love me today. But all these pieces and parts of me could be something larger than me one day. So if you want me, you got me. Granted, I'm scattered and sloppy, but you can't send me back. I'm just a rough draft, so cut me and grab me. And when I'm ready, make copies. And one day, the real thing might blow you away. I'm just a few thoughts, fragments of memory, shaped by your imagination, your love and your patience. And I know you're afraid of what I could mean. I'm an open letter, a public diary. So baby, reach out and touch me. No need to like me or love me today. But all these pieces and parts of me could be something larger than me one day. So if you want me, you got me. Granted, I'm scattered and sloppy, but you can't send me back. I'm just a rough draft, so cut me and grab me. And when I'm ready, make copies. And one day, yeah. Oh, you say you don't need me, could tear me up, believe me. You walk away. You're giving up too easy. Listen to me, I got a lot left to say. Baby, reach out and touch me. No need to like me or love me. No need. But if you take me apart, finish what you start, you'll see. So if you want me, you got me. Granted, I'm scattered and sloppy, but you can't send me back. I'm just a rough draft, so cut me and grab me. And when I'm ready, make copies. And one day, yeah. So if you want me, you got me. Granted, I'm scattered and sloppy, but you can't send me back. I'm just a rough draft, so cut me and grab me. And when I'm ready, make copies. And one day, the real thing might blow you away.